They don't want to call them God. They call them celestial beings. And these celestial beings have the capacity to act on behalf of God. They have the capacity to come forth as messengers from God. They have the capacity to be prayed to and to answer your prayer. They have the capacity to protect and fight for you, provide for you, and even bless you. Like my Eddie Michael, even down to human beings that have lived before, the ancestors of other people, they pray to them in the name of matters and sense, calling upon them for intercession for their sins, for intercession to find lost property, intercession for the sick, intercession, many things to pray for you. You pray to these beings, these human beings that have transcended to the beyond, to act in their own capacity as God acts in your life.